Ashley Buzzard may be out of jail. She is not out of investigators' crosshairs. They say she has been uncooperative about what happened to her 9-year-old daughter, Melodee. And at this point, they tell me they're investigating all angles, including the chilling possibility that she was trafficked. This morning, Ashley Buzzard, the mother of 9-year-old Melodee, who's been missing from her home near Santa Barbara for over a month now, sent home from jail with a GPS monitor following this court appearance.
Ma'am, you're released on supervised release.
But Ashley wasn't in court to face charges related to Melodee's disappearance. She was there to face a charge of false imprisonment after a man she knew, named Tyler Brewer, accused her of holding him against his will in her home. Brewer claims Ashley brandished a box cutter and refused to let him leave after he says she shared information she appeared to regret disclosing.
We're entering a not guilty plea.
Buzzard released after a judge ruled she was not a flight risk. Adrian Galvin is her attorney.
We're eager to test the reliability, veracity, and credibility of the complaining witness in this case.
Outside the courthouse, Melodee's paternal grandmother, Lily Dennis, spoke to our affiliate, KEYT.
I want to know where my granddaughter is. What's going on? They let her go? They didn't say nothing about my granddaughter?
And overnight, I asked Ashley's attorney about that.
Can you say whether Ashley is concerned about the welfare of her daughter, Melodee?
I can't comment on that.
Melodee last spotted in these surveillance images standing slightly behind her mother at a car rental in Lompoc, California on October 7th. Both Melodee and her mother wearing wigs. Authorities say the pair drove off in a Chevy Malibu 1,500 miles to Nebraska. Ashley returned 3 days later, but without her daughter. The FBI and local law enforcement say they've been working to retrace their movements after finding the license plates on the Malibu were swapped out during the drive.
We have discovered that there was a change of the license plate on the vehicle that we've been describing that went on this road trip. And then also an additional sighting that places Melodee with Ashley as far along that trip as the October 9th.
That was somewhere near the Colorado-Utah region, and authorities say it was the last time anyone had seen Melodee. The next day, Ashley returned the car with the original plates, but without Melodee. Authorities served a warrant to search Ashley's home, the rental car, and a storage locker. Law enforcement sources from multiple agencies point out the catch-22 in this case. On the one hand, they are extremely worried about what happened to Melodee, but because they can't find Melodee and because there is no actual evidence that a crime has been committed, they can't charge Ashley with any crime, even though they say she has been uncooperative from the very start.